as Sentient Archetypes 201, and this is a continuation of nature. So yes, what does it mean to be connected? Connected means to be fully in harmony. We come all from a place of harm, part of this journey, part of this era. Being harmed, harming, feeling life is a threat. Being in nature and being surrounded by it allows us to actually see that nature is harmony. More than harmless, it is harmony. Although there's snakes and all these kind of things here, I hardly see any, because I know I'm in harmony. And harmony is one of the highest principles